Hello, Joan of Art here. Let's discuss PETMALU and LODI. Now, what in the world is PETMALU and LODI? Well, it's like last year when you heard so often PACGANERN, and now the famous expression is PETMALU, LODI, and also WERPA. What are these words? PETMALU is just a play on words. It means malupet. Well, the original word is supposed to be malupit, but through the passage of time, malupit has become malupet, and then you transpose some of the syllables, and it becomes PETMALU. So that's just PETMALU. Malupit means amazing or somebody with great talent. So malupit is described to a person who has awesome talent or very talented or really truly amazing. Malupit. Well, the original meaning of malupit is cruel. Being malupit is not being cruel, but really very good at something. So that's malupit for you, malupet, PETMALU. If you are malupit or PETMALU, then people would call you LODI. LODI meaning idol, meaning people who calls you LODI or idol are your fans. So the fans would call whoever who is malupet or PETMALU as idol. Supposed to be. Okay, that annoying thing. Idol is spelled as this way, but then it becomes LODI, so I don't get it why people, I don't get it why people reverse it. I don't get it why people reverse idol into LODI. How about Lodja? How about Lodja? That would be the more proper way, or LODI, because, well, it's pronounced idol, so LODI. Anyway, it's become LODI by popular usage. Through common usage, it's become LODI. How about WERPA? WERPA is simply power. And, well, it's spelled WERPA because in Tagalog, power is spelled power. P-A-W, power. So, if you are malupit, and if you are LODI, you have awesome power, or powers, or talent, or whatever amazing stuff you have there. So you're made of great stuff, you have power, or WERPA. So that's your WERPA. So that's where WERPA is coming from. So these are our words for today: PETMALU, LODI, and WERPA. I don't know up to when are these words going to stay, but they're here to stay for a while. Some people are quite annoyed by them, and some people are very happy using it. Well, as a word blogger, I'm interested at the development of new words. They're not actually new words, and some people who lived in the 70s would argue that the millennials are not the first to coin words, by reversing or transposing syllables. In the 70s, there are many words that have been coined, such as, let me think, ermats and erpats, from mater, father, mother, father, so it became ermat and erpats. Esmi, Mrs. So those are the evolution of words. Even from the 70s, we have it, 80s, do we have some words in the 80s, 90s? For this year, these are the words that are used. Anyway, stay tuned for more words. For now, I leave you with some hearts. Spread love. Love makes the world go round. This is Joan of Art. I love you all, and see you once again in our next video. Bye-bye.